Record the whole thing. You can. You want to record the entire process?
Obviously, right? We're recording. Oh, we record. Yeah, we're recording. Okay, yeah.
So, it's October 17th, 2018. I'm shaking, legit. And it's one exact year since the first time that we met for the second time around. 10 years later, I just bumped my head because I'm so nervous. And I already know. And what do you know? You're so sure that I'm overreacting.
We're recording this for absolutely nothing. And I'm about to pee up.
Wait. So I'm gonna pee in a cup.
Okay, she's gonna pee in a cup, guys.
Your
Guys,
future baby might see this.
What if it's babies and I just said, guys, like, we already know we're having twins. Jeez.
Okay, I'm still peeing though. Wait.
Stop yourself from peeing. That's how bad she wanted to know. She
I've been holding my
all
pee
day.
I've been holding my pee. No, since 6:30. What time is it? We have to document the time and everything.
It is 8:43 p.m.
Okay. Don't look at my pee. It's a lot of pee. Don't look at it. Okay.
What are we dumping?
I have to pee like already for a second.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
So, what did it say? 5 seconds?
It says, what does it say? It says, open pouch immediately before use. Prepare
20 seconds.
Urinate to a chlorine cup and dip in Tide absorbent tip in the cup for 20 seconds only. Okay.
Let's count.
So go.
Don't
I got you. Dip it. Dip
Go.
it. Good.
1.
Dip it. I got you right here on the time right here.
Are you counting?
Yeah, I'm good. I have it right here. I know the time that we started.
Are you nervous?
A little bit now that you have me all freaking like here prepared and like ready and like observed. Okay, you're good. You're good.
Don't look at the front of it yet. Okay, timer, 2 minutes.
Yeah, so we have another couple minutes.
You want to keep that rolling the whole time?
Yeah.
You see how much?
You're gonna wash your hands and like get rid of that
Yeah.
pee-pee.
I'm gonna dispose of it.
Now we have an extra one.
Okay, 2 minutes. I have to wash my hands. I feel like this is a dream right now.
A dream?
Wash my hands. Who would have thought that exactly 1 year later after meeting up, we would be doing this? Embrace myself and say a little prayer. Come feel my heart right now. Feel my heart. Let me feel your heart. Is yours facing?
It's pretty racy.
Feel mine.
How's yours popping on your chest?
Oh my god.
Why are you so scared?
Cause I'm like 99%. Cause I just feel different. I just feel like a feeling.
She got a feeling.
Before I even missed my period, I just had a.
I think it's been 2 minutes now.
Do you know exactly?
Yeah,
Can you
been
know?
2 minutes.
Come on.
Come on, man. Right,
No.
I'm gonna check it.
No, I'm gonna check it.
What do you mean you're gonna check it?
I'm
So
gonna.
we're both gonna check
No,
it
let me look at
together.
it first.
What are you? Can you stop?
Same time?
Yeah. Just put it up. Put it.
I'm scared.
3, 2, 1.
I told you. 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 Oh my god, I freaking knew it. I knew it. Oh my god. Wow, you're never speechless.
What do you?
Holy shit! Holy crap.
It's like a fairy tale. It's like.
Babe, I knew it. Holy crap. Wait, let me look at it. This is ugly cry. That is 100%. Wow. Any
Why are
last
you
words?
recording me?
Any last words?
I love you, baby. Or babies.
Oh my god.